Make a bird tape block. Use foam blocks with different shapes. Arrange them to look a bit like a bird. Take an LED and check the length of the legs. Put a slight bend in the shortest leg on the LED, then open them up so they sit flat. Run a thin strip of conductive tape along the top of the shape. Run a second strip of conductive tape parallel to the first. Place an LED in the middle of the two lines of tape, then tape it down. Make sure the bent leg is at the back and the straight leg is at the front. Place another LED between the two pieces of tape, with the bent leg at the back and the straight leg at the front. Stick the legs down with a small piece of tape. Again, stick the legs down with a small piece of tape. Add a 3-volt battery. Make sure the negative is attached to the short-legged LED strip. The lights will come on. Glue the blocks together. To make the bird, place an eye on both sides of its head. Glue the eyes on. Use glue to add feathers for the wings. Use glue to add feathers for the tail. There is your TapeBlock bird.